Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone in Character.AI. So let's jump in right away. Open up your Character.AI application and log into your account, or you can also visit the beta.character.ai website on a web browser. After you are logged into your main account, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the search bubble at the bottom of the screen. Now, you can search for the characters created by someone you are trying to follow. After you perform your search, it'll display you a list of characters that might match your search. Select your right character you are looking for and tap on the three dots right next to their name at the top of the screen. Now, tap on View Creator Profile. The person that created the character will be displayed on the screen. You can now start following them by tapping the follow button in blue at the top of the screen, and you'll be able to follow someone in Character.AI. If you ever want to unfollow the person, you can simply tap on the unfollow button right under their profile picture. That is how you can follow someone or a creator in Character.AI. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.